processes must be followed.
Doma malo ma Nairobi no chuno mondo mi ochor nyime ng'ado bura mogik nek mar johala Monica Kimani tok maneja fombo Jaki Maribe rem chopo e doho kowacho ni ne ok owinj makare katutuo. Lady Justice Grace Nzioka koro wacho ni biro chiwo ng'eto tarik 15 dwe mar adek higani. Nyawadgi Joseph Irungo mong'ere gi nying kaka Joey kata kamano to ne ochopo e nyim doho kokil ma Maribe katwa kigeno ko jong'ad buche mi Maribe thuolo mar chango. Nzioka ochiko achije ariyo go chopo e doho ma ok olewo odiechieng' ng'eto mochiwo manyien no.
I have looked at my diary, and the court is not available the rest of the month of January and the whole of February. They'll still be on leave by 8th of March, but I offer to give my 8th of March to 2 matters for judgment. Professor Nandwa, please confirm you are in those matters.
I do confirm.
Yes. Are they light or heavy matters? Please share with us.
They are very heavy matters.
Yes.
Heavy matters.
So there are 2 heavy matters. Most likely I'll need 8 hours or so to deliver judgment in those 2 matters. So we can't fix this matter for 8th. All right? So what is the next date? 15th?
15th is available.
So my earliest date then would be 15th of March?